Sometimes just the idea of cooking dinner is exhausting, but by having just 5 simple ingredients, I've got a delicious dish that will have dinner on your table in no time. We'll prep our bell peppers. Next up is our squash. I'm gonna cut the neck off of this crookneck squash and I'm gonna chop this up. This will be part of our filling. Now we're gonna start by cooking all the filling. It's time to add our sausage. Now it's time to add our breadcrumbs, and we're just gonna sprinkle them over so that our mixture isn't too wet. We're gonna add a little bit of our feta cheese, and I'm gonna save the rest for on top. We're gonna prepare our squash with a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle of salt. We're gonna put these into a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes. With just 5 ingredients, we have a delicious stuffed squash and dinner is served.